guys?
I think we should go get some hot cocoa at Plush Theater.
Good idea. Do you like that, Ellie? Yeah, let's go! Could we get 4 hot chocolates?
Sure, but we have a new invention, and it is called the vending machine.
Cool! Hey guys, let's go get some candy from there. Good idea. I have 25 cents. Yee. Okay, I'll just insert my quarter here. This is so cool. I insert my quarter there. I get my candy there. And it's called the PT Candy Randomizer 10,000. Oh, it says Plush Theater on the box. Oh, that's so cool. Look, it has all the people's names. Foxy, David, and Buster. Ellie, Fluffy. Oh, that's me. Funny. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, I'm going to insert my quarter. Oh, I missed. Whoa. But this is so cool. Okay, insert my quarter. Whoa! That was so cool. Thank you. I'm going to show the others. Done, right, Foxy?
Yeah.
Guys, I got the candy. Wait, it actually worked. Wait, what is the candy? This. It's a new thingy. It's so cool. Yeah, that's so cool. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah. I'm gonna try some. Just make sure it's good. Cherry, grape, and chewiness. Ellie, try some. Okay.
Okay, my turn. Nom, nom, nom. Ooh, that's so good. Best thing I ever tasted.
Foxy, you should try that. It tastes like heaven.
Okay. Nom, 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 nom. Whoa, you're right.
We should tell our friends about it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's split up. Me and Pandy will go tell our friends. Foxy, you tell your friends. Fluffy, tell your friends. Okay, let's get going, guys. Guys, there's a new vending candy machine at Plush Theater. Really? Is it cool? Yeah, let's go, Chica. Okay. Crank. Whee!
Guys, there's a new vending machine at Plush Theater.
Yay!
Guys, let's go get it.
Oh, okay, guys, there's a new vending machine, and it gives you fudge, candy, whatever chewy stuff at the vending machine at Plush Theater. Hey, guys, let's go get some corn day. How much is it? 25 cents only. Let's go. Woo! Hey, guys, I think this is the machine. Let's get some candy. Yay! Hey, there's a TV at Plush Theater they new installed, and let's watch the live new show by Shadow Freddy and Emma Foxy. Yeah! Woo! Okay, let's get watching, guys. And hey, guys, it's Nightmare Foxy.
Shadow Freddy here.
And we're going to be giving you a tour of the new jail in downtown Plush. You are going to go to the vending machine, go check it out. And let's get on with the tour, Nightmare or Shadow Freddy. Let's get going. It's hard to hold the camera and do this at the same time. Okay, so we have all the prisoners in that big block right here. Yep, right there. If you saw them, they're in that weird ball.
And here is the chute where they shoot people and snipe if they're escaping.
Yeah. And right here, they try to get away with the boat. Nope. Because watch this. It's gonna tip over. Or it's supposed to tip over. And yeah, like that. Perfect. Drop the camera. Okay. Sorry, I have bad quality.
Actually, it's really hard because you actually cannot see the security camera. It's blended in. It's right there and there.
And let's show you the back of where this leads to. Okay, So this is how it goes into it. So they get into this weird thing. They fall down, and there's this big machine that kicks them. It's extremely weird. And this is the main office everyone sleeps in.
And there are some computers there.
Yes. And that's all for today's little TV show. And what the heck? In the show right now. Okay, Shadow Freddy, wasn't that kind of crazy?
Yeah, that's really crazy.
Guys, are you okay? Are you okay? Yeah, are you okay? Oh, look, other people came.
Are you guys okay?
Yeah.
Do you guys know what happened?
Yeah, I think we saw a meteor.
Did it hit the bell tower?
No. I know too many things. First the last bell, and then it got destroyed. Ah! I'm so glad I didn't hit it. Well, if you're brave enough, Dave, could you and Dave and Buster go over? And maybe you, Fluffy? Yeah. Let's go over, guys. Let's do this. I think I found the asteroid right here. Whoa, looks weird. What the heck?
What the heck?
It doesn't feel any weird. It just feels like a ball. Let's take this to the others. Okay. Guys, I found what that meteorite was. What was it? It was this weird ball.
But how can it destroy Fluffy's and Foxy's place where they speak?
Yeah, I can't believe it. There's glass everywhere. It might be from the humans. They might have thrown this at our world. Should we get revenge on the humans?
Sure.
Yeah! Let's do it!
To be continued.